guys, so I'm hoping you guys are liking this video so far. If you guys want more videos like when I do a 3-for-1 where I do like my makeup, outfit, and hair, just leave your comments down below. I do want to say happy anniversary to RPGSHOW Wig. It's their 12th anniversary. I've been working with this company for the last 4 years and they've been nothing but good to me. Their wigs have improved over time and everything is just so wonderful. My relationship with this company is great. So leave a happy anniversary down below, and there will be a good coupon code down below as well for you guys if you want to purchase this unit or any other unit from this company. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, I hope I'm at a good angle because I had to readjust the camera a few times to make sure that I was in position in place. So this is the finished look of this unit. I am going to let you guys know right now because I know a lot of you guys complain about the price from RPGSHOW, but a lot of you guys are fascinated with I Am Alonzo. You guys are fascinated with all these celebrity hairstylists that do these $1,200 wigs, $1,500 wigs, $2,000 wigs. Now this price point may be up there in the fours, but let me tell you guys something. This unit is definitely celebrity styled. It's very, very nice. Color job and everything is super duper nice. Now, you guys know I've been working with RPGSHOW for a long time, and I'm telling you, every single time I get a wig from them, the improvements are just like unrealistic. So this lace on this one, number one, is definitely a really nice type of transparent lace. With this one, I really didn't have to do that much, guys. I did have to tweeze the hair. I did show you guys the hairline prior, and I showed you guys the hairline after. All I needed to do was just clean the surface up just to open it up. And I'm telling you guys, I didn't even need to put the powder on. The lace is so freaking nice and light. It's not too thick. It definitely melts into my skin. This time around, guys, I did use Bold Hold. This is the first time I've reviewed Bold Hold. I've never used this product before, and I'm telling you guys, This product too definitely surprised me. The first couple layers that I put on, I did do kind of like a heavy layer because I knew that this was gonna dry pretty fast. So when I was putting the layers on, I did kind of like a nice chunky layer over, and I was like, you know what, let me wait a few minutes to see how it goes. The bolt hold dries instantly. It's like clear once you do it. It takes like maybe like 2 seconds, 2 minutes. I'm exaggerating, but it dries very clear. I was using the Ghost Bond before, and the Ghost Bond, guys, that one is really chunky. It does not dry clear as fast as you think. Even if you go over it with a blow dryer, it does not dry as clear as the bolt hold. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm obsessed. This might be my new install type of glue adhesive, especially because I'm going on vacation in 2 weeks, guys. I'm starting my 2-month traveling. I'm going on 5 trips to 5 different places. So I start in 2 weeks. So I was looking for some type of adhesive that was gonna hold down a wig for like a nice hot weather. Guys, I'm telling you guys, this thing is magic. The wig is like damn near stuck on my head, bro. Like, and you know what's funny? Sometimes I don't often, you know, glue these wigs down for longevity just because I do a lot of hair reviews. But because this unit was so damn pretty, so damn foxy, and Beyonce just came out with this picture with a kind of hairstyle kind of similar to this, but she had the blonde split down the middle, which you guys see me before. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna bolt hold this down and come and slay for you guys. Guys, this wig, guys, hands down, is probably one of my favorite units from RPG Show. Like I said to you guys, the price point for you guys be like, oh, it's expensive. Guys, it's expensive in there. I mean, it's not even expensive. If you're looking for a wig that's celebrity styled, that you're gonna get for a fraction of the price you'd be paying all these other people, I'm telling you guys, RPG Show is the way to go. This unit is super nice. The coloring is beautiful. The color back here almost looks like a number 6, a chocolate color. And obviously you guys saw in the beginning, they did like this nice kind of like a 613 blonde, an ash tone blonde. I absolutely love this. I feel like the color gradient and everything goes very well. This is 20 inches long and it's 200% density. I can agree. This is 200% density. 200% density. And this is 20 inches long. Unit is freaking fire. It did come with a little elastic band attached to it that they just started adding on their units, so that's definitely helpful. Especially if you don't want to glue this down, you can definitely actually wear this glueless. I almost thought about wearing this glueless in the beginning, but like I said, I was trying to slay like Beyonce, so I said, you know what, let me come here with this slay to the gods down. I did use a little Got2b glue on the baby hairs just to kind of like make them like a little bit, you know, nice, and you know, gather them together a little bit. I did go ahead and brush them out a little bit because I like how it looks after you put the Got2b glue on and you brush it out. I feel like it looks more natural. It forms its own little wave pattern and everything. So that's what I usually do to all my units. Guys, I'm gonna turn around and show you guys what the back looks like and the overall length of this one. I can honestly say if you're looking for something fun, I was looking, and this is crazy because I'm leaving in 2 weeks, so I was looking for some type of blonde unit, some type of fun unit. It didn't have to be overly blonde. It just had to have like an accent to it, and this unit is the accent I was looking for. I'm super happy that RPG Show sent this to me. I'm amazed, guys. The lace, everything about this unit is freaking A1. Yes, I did have to go in and just tweeze it a little bit extra. It came pre-tweezed. You can take it the way it came, or you can go ahead and customize it yourself. It's up to you, but guys, I think I did a really good job. This is start to finish. You guys can see this. This is the ultimate Beyonce slay to you, girl. So like, I'm super excited. I don't look like Beyonce, but it's a little bit. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from rpgshow.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.